ChatGPT have just released a new feature, ChatGPT Search. This essentially is taking ChatGPT into its own search engine. It's something that would probably end up rivaling Google in terms of searching the internet. So now you can get live, up-to-date information from ChatGPT directly. So what can it do? Essentially, you can get up-to-date, here's an example, sports scores, news, stock quotes, and more. ChatGPT will choose to search the web based on what you ask, or you can manually choose to search by clicking the web search icon. So, do I need to go through all this? Designed to get you a better answer. Getting useful answers on the web can take a lot of effort. It often requires multiple searches and digging through links to find quality sources and the right information for you. Now Chat can get you to a better answer. Ask a question in a more natural, conversational way, and ChatGPT can choose to respond with information from the web. Go deeper with follow-up questions, and ChatGPT will consider the full context of your chat to get a better answer for you. So let's go through. It's got a few options here just to show you. So news, maps, all types of up-to-date information, as well as just your general search engine. But up-to-date information is generally more important for, obviously things that change on a daily or hourly basis. So here you can see we've got our search the web button. Give that a click. Search is now engaged. So what's the latest news on the stock market today? You can see here it has got, and we're just using one source. Obviously AP News is the biggest source for this, but you can see here it's got a few different sources. It has got up to date as of the 31st, so while the stock market was open. Fantastic. You can also open the source tab up here where it's giving you a lot more source options, but obviously you'd probably go with the top one. Click that, it'll open the source in a new link where you can read the article. So what else can we do? We can search for the current weather in New York City. Severe weather. Okay, well, there we go. Red flag warning. So look at that. You were even getting a severe weather notification. Thursday. So it's currently 77. So there you go. You've got up-to-date information on the weather. Sports, who won the most recent NFL game. Thursday, October, Texans versus Jets. So there you can see you've got another very up-to-date search feature. So this really is going to start rivaling Google and other search engines. I mean, ChatGPT is just growing and growing and growing into more households. So a lot of people are already using ChatGPT for 90% of their searches, but this just changes things up with being able to access it directly. One thing with this new search is, as I mentioned it here somewhere, this is currently only available to Plus users. Oh, yep, ChatGPT Plus and Team users can try it out. So it's not available for free yet, but they're definitely working on bringing it to the free ChatGPT as well. So that probably won't be too far away. So I just wanted to give you a quick run through of this new update. Go jump on Chat, give it a play. I'm sure it will definitely be a feature that a lot of people will love and enjoy. So there you have it. Have a good night. Catch us later.